Hello, everybody, and welcome to the Motel 6 in Des Moines, Iowa. My brain was fried there for a second. Anyway, let's go ahead and show you what it is here. Walk in the door. Oddly enough, there's no light on the ceiling. So you just have to kind of use these ones. Anyway, okay, so you walk in the door. There's two beds. One bed I have all my stuff on. In between the beds, we have two lamps with USB ports, so that's nice. Nightstand. The bed I've been using, which is fine, by the way. TV. I didn't really use it that much, but that works fine too. Ice buckets with cups. A death note. Obviously, I brought that I got signed from three of the voice actors from the show, so that was pretty cool. That's what I'm here for, by the way, a convention. Microwave and refrigerator. Yeah, they work fine. I don't see a light on the refrigerator, but I guess that's not the worst thing as long as it's cold. Onto the vanity. Yeah, there's a sink and a mirror and a counter. Oh, and these towels were folded really, really nicely. They were all folded like that. I kind of messed them up though. I feel so bad because they're all nice and neat. Whatever, it's probably not too big of a deal for them to do that again. And I guess they figure good at use them. Onto the bathroom with a nice walk-in shower there. And I've said this at Motel 6 before. Why do they have the shower head facing this way? But I mean, it's not a deal breaker or anything. It's just why? It's like when you get in, you have to kind of move around that way. But anyway, yeah, the shower's fine. Overall, the hotel room's fine. See what kind of view we got. Nothing too exciting. There's the parking lot. Is it a hotel or somebody's house over there? I think it's someone's house or apartment complex. But I guess that'll be about it. Thank you for watching. See you at the next hotel I go to. And be sure to check this channel out for videos of the convention. Got plenty of exciting footage of that coming. And yeah. Not sure what else to say. Trying to get the video 5 minutes. So, 1 more minute to go. Good hotel for, it's not going to be anything fancy, but it's in, there's nothing bad about it for the price. So if you're looking to stay somewhere on a budget in Des Moines, Iowa, then I would recommend it. And it's only 5 miles from the convention center, which is really convenient. I mean, not as convenient as being right next door to it, but for 5 miles, I'll take it. Okay. That'll be it. Thank you for watching. See you next time.